Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add phone number in Roblox if it's not there. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I'm going to explain why this missing. So I'm just going to load up my Roblox account here. I'm going to click on the gear icon and go into settings. And as you can see, I don't have a phone number option here. So I'm going to explain why this option might be missing for you and what you can do. Now, one reason why this option might be missing is because you have your phone number linked to a terminated Roblox account. So that is one reason why you might have it missing. Another reason is because your country isn't supported. So Roblox removed the phone number option for some specific countries. And if Roblox detects that you're in one of those countries, you won't be able to add a phone number. And the last reason why you might not have the phone number option here for you is because your account is under 13, so you will need to verify your account age. So if you are over 13, then you need to verify your age. And if you verify your age, you should be able to add a phone number here. And those are the three reasons why you can't add a phone number to your Roblox account. Now, to add it, just wait until Roblox add this feature to your country. So that's basically how you can add phone number in Roblox if it's not there. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.